What is going on, guys? This is Brennan, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 trading mistakes that I learned the hard way, and I hope that some of you can find value in this and hopefully keep you from making the same mistakes that I did. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Number 1, you can't cut corners, man. Unfortunately, a lot of marketers out there are going to hype up their secret strategies and the ability to make quick riches, and I'm telling you right now that the path to a successful trading career takes a lot of time. It takes patience. I was always focusing on what I was going to do when I got the money, the quick riches, instead of focusing on building the solid foundation that was going to provide the finances for me throughout the future. So when you're starting out, focus on building your foundation instead of chasing the money, because it's going to be a short trading career if you start chasing the money right off the bat. Number 2, proper mentorship and education is key. You want to learn from someone who has already gained the success in trading that you want. It's very easy to put your trust in someone who pretends to have the secrets and make a lot of money. And unfortunately, a lot of people are playing the Dan Bilzerian game of trading and are treating the markets like a casino. The casino is always open for more business, and you're better off going there. You can get a free massage, you can get free drinks. So if you don't want to focus on getting proper mentorship, see ya. Number 3, keep your risk low. No more than 2% per trade. In forex, it's very easy to over leverage your account and over risk. So if you're doing that, yeah, you can potentially make a lot more money, but on the flip side, you can lose a lot more money. And even the best traders lose money. So if the best traders in the world lose money, you're not gonna win. You're not gonna win every trade. Number 4. This is a big one. Detach your emotions. That when your emotions are involved, your decision making is not the way it should be. The last thing you want to do is have cloudy judgment and make a mistake that completely destroys your account. Capital preservation is the number 1 goal in trading. When you focus on preserving your capital as opposed to making more money, you're going to be just fine. So detach your emotions, because emotions will wreck you every time. Trading, they say, is 90% psychology. Keep that in mind. Oh, number 5. This is one that a lot of people are not going to want to hear. Now, when I first started trading, I was day trading, looking at the 5-minute chart, the 1-hour chart, the 4-hour chart. And that is where a lot of noise is. And when you have a lot of noise, big swings, big moves, that's when your emotions are also coming into play. And when your emotions are coming into play like that, like I said, you're going to make irrational decisions. And when you look at the higher time frames, take a step back, look at the bigger picture, look at the overall trends and the way the markets are moving, it's much easier to think clearly and base your decisions rationally. Also, looking at the lower time frames requires a lot more time. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like sitting in front of a screen all day. I want to focus on other things in my life other than staring at a 1-hour forex chart, watching a bar go like this all day. So they trade their 9-to-5 job, which is basically a secure source of income, for day trading, 8 hours sitting in front of a screen, probably losing a lot of money, and they think that this is time freedom. When you get caught up in these quick short-term moves, you're going to forget about the big picture. And the money is made when you trend trade. Now, if you approach trading with these 5 lessons taken into consideration, you're going to be ahead of the game by far.